guys, nag-i-eat kami ng talantan. Dahil may laknat ako. May laknat guys ako. Nagpunta kami kanina sa Cornell. Tapos ito guys. Nawala na guys yung plat. Tapos ito.
You talk slowly kasi.
And isa pa. Asim!
What happened in Cornell? Cornell Hospital, what happened?
Flat ako, tita guys. Tito guys, ako na plato. Tito. Isa pa tito.
Get ng blood.
Kat, ako pa isa pa.
Kanina 1 AM kasi
Namay tito.
nagnat siya ng 40.60. Dinala na namin siya sa Cornell. Sumasabay siya sa akin eh. Don't go near to me.
Why?
Siyempre, di ba, mama is sick also.
Oh!
Worry nga ako kasi kala ko nahawa sa akin. Yung pala, awan ng Diyos, okay naman lahat ng laboratory test niya. Yun lang, yung tonsillitis na namamaga. Ano yung tonsillitis niya? Kaya no more?
Sick.
No more sweets.
I thought no more sick eh.
No more sick na din.
I thought kasi no more sweet.
No more sweets.
Kasi I thought no more sick. I don't know kasi what eh.
Talk properly. We're in the vlog, di ba?
Mama, there's so many sugar. Dita guys ako.
Sa sugar?
Salt. What sugar to? Sugar? What sugar?
Sugar is asukal. It's sweet. Matamis yun.
Sugar? Is, what is?
For the coffee yun ni Lola, oh. This is sugar.
Sip-sip ko yung talantan. Para siyang orange. I did not taste anything. I did not taste anything in talantan when I eat in another side.
So noisy kasi, that's why you cannot taste. When you're eating kasi, you focus on your food.
But why there's saliva?
Is that saliva?
Yeah. No. Mama. What's this water?
It's from inside. You eat pearly. That's why you cannot
sugar
taste.
dito, soda.
Sugar?
Shake tayo ng sugar. Sugar, salt. Kala ko kasi sugar ulit eh.
That's why you cannot taste what you're eating eh. Kasi you keep on talking while you're eating. When you eat, focus on your food.
Why mama you have another cell phone?
Because we're rich.
You have two cell phone na. Maybe when you use it.
Diba this is from Tito Reggie.
This?
Cellphone ba yan? This one? You eat na! You're making our video so long eh. And you're not doing anything. You want to make a vlog and then you're not moving.
Yummy.
Yummy, you haven't tasted it yet. Oh,
Asim!
what's the English of asim?
English? Sour.
Sour. You smell sour also.
Talantan. Talantan.
Spell dalandan.
T-A?
Next.
Ta-la-L?
Next.
T?
No, what's next to L so that it will be la?
Tala. A.
Okay, and then what's next? Dalan.
Talan.
Hmm.
N.
Okay, and then
Talan. Ta. Ti.
Okay, and then,
Talan. Ta. N.
what's next to D muna so that it will be like,
Talan. Ta.
what's next to D so it will be da.
Tat.
Da. Oh, what's the pair of D?
A.
And then, what's the last letter?
Y.
Dalanday? Dalandan.
Talantan. Talantan.
Oh, what's the last letter?
Tan.
What's the last letter?
Tan. Tan.
What's the last letter?
A.
Dan. What's,
Tan. N.
good job. You finished it na. Say bye-bye to them na. Bye, guys. Because I will cough.
Bye, guys.